Hey everybody!
I'm back
with part 3. We've had lots of great feedback, so thanks everybody. For those of you who are new here, we are reviewing Beverly Hills Dermal Repair Complex to see if it has any really positive benefits to skin. We wanted to address some of the questions that came in that were awesome and helpful. One of the first ones was, it's tricky, the lighting thing is hard because we're trying to figure out if anything's shifted, but the light is always shifting. And so in my first 2 videos, they were inside. Someone suggested maybe going outside and seeing how that compares with natural lighting. So hopefully it helps. I know it also makes it difficult, but here we are. We had questions about if it has any effects on hair or nails. And so far, really haven't noticed anything. I don't see a lot of regrowth. I don't feel like my nails are growing any faster than normal. So also, I still haven't noticed a ton of obvious changes to my skin. It feels similar. I feel like it looks similar, but at the same time, there might be a slight improvement. It's just really hard to say. So nothing drastic, nothing completely altering to any of my wrinkles, which I kind of think is normal. It's just more like an investment in your skin's health. Another comment was about how my skin looked more supple, but also that maybe I had gained weight from one video to the next. It's funny because I actually noticed that too. I did go on a trip for a few weeks, and when I got home, it may have been just water retention, but I was like, oh, this might be working because my skin actually felt different, but it may have just been retaining water and I ate too much on my trip, maybe. So now, I don't know, we'll be able to see if from even that to now, if that's shifted at all. So let's get a close-up. The grooves in my forehead, I feel like they're all still pretty much the same. But in 20 years, if I wasn't taking it, maybe they would be even deeper. Who knows? So maybe this is just more of a long-term investment in your skin's health and not just immediate can erase all the wrinkles like we all wish. This is what it claims. It'll address the underlying causes of visible aging. It'll renew your complexion, help you achieve a smoother, firmer, more youthful look. So that's what this claims. And at this point, I'm about halfway. I'm about a little more than halfway into my 2nd bottle. So I can't say that all of those things are completely obvious, but I'm also not completely done with the process. So I might just have to wait and see if anything more drastic happens. Overall, I think everyone's skin's gonna react differently. I think someone might really see a lot. It might clear up your complexion if you have blemishes, acne and stuff like that. You might really see a huge difference. Whereas if you just kind of have average skin, you may not notice a whole lot. So to each their own. The bonuses though is there's no noticeable side effects. That's good. Everything's been normal. Ding, ding, ding. Overall, that's where we're at in this process, and I'm hopeful that maybe at the end of this, I'll really start to feel and notice a difference. At this point, it's still unclear, but I will get back to you. Make sure and let me know if there's any specific things you want to know, and stay with us on this journey and let us know your feedback, and we will be back shortly.
Peace out.